What if your manufacturing operations could predict breakdowns before they happen? With Bautomate's Hyperautomation platform, you'll save millions and stay ahead of the competition. A global manufacturing leader with $8 billion in annual revenue faced crippling challenges: unplanned downtime, excessive manual documentation, disjointed systems, and mounting compliance pressures. Bautomate introduced a revolutionary suite of solutions, from predictive maintenance using AI Copilot to intelligent document processing and seamless system integration. We transformed their operations. Implementation began with connecting to email's FTP path and ERP systems to our platform. Tailored IDP rules ensured precise document extraction, and high-impact workflows were optimized step by step. Initial challenges included adapting legacy systems and ensuring user adoption. But with continuous optimization and tailored training, these obstacles were efficiently overcome. This manufacturing leader transformed their operations with predictive maintenance. Downtime dropped by 50%, costs fell by 30%, workflow efficiency 3x, and documentation accuracy hit 95%, setting a new standard for the industry. Schedule a demo today and take the first step toward operational excellence.